In this video, I'm going to show you how to add location to TikTok video. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your TikTok, right? Now, if you love to add location to your TikTok video, just click on this upload, right? I'm going to upload the video right now, and I'm going to walk you through all you're going to know basically, right? So wait for this to gradually load up. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to click on this, select a video, right? I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna just select a short video, right? Because I want to walk you through how you can do this. So I'm gonna just scroll down gradually. I'm gonna take this. Okay, so I think I found the video, right? I'll just click on this. I'm gonna click on this open, right? Once I've clicked on this right now, you can see at first this is where the video is gonna load up, right? This is where it's gonna load up from. This is the video details. This is where you can edit the cover of the video, right? Right now you can see location, right? You can see location. So this is Lagos Island, right? So you can come on here, click on this search location, enter your location, right? Once you are done, once the video and everything is properly set, right? Once they've checked everything, you're gonna just click on this post, right? And once you have added the location to it, everything is gonna be set for you, right? So you can see this video has just uploaded, right? Everything is ready. So if I click on this post right now, once I've selected my location, this video is going to go live, right? So this is basically how you can add location in a TikTok video. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you on the very next video.